Hi everyone, welcome to Playwright tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we will understand parallel execution in Playwright and how workers make your test execution super fast. What is parallel execution in Playwright? Parallel execution means running multiple test files or test cases simultaneously instead of one by one. Playwright support multiple execution out of the box without any extra libraries. For parallel execution, you do not need to add extra libraries. This helps to reduce total execution time, speed up CI/CD pipelines, run large test suites efficiently. Open Chrome browser, and this is the introduction. Playwright test run test in parallel. In order to achieve that, it runs several worker process that run at the same time. You can configure test using configuration file and scroll down worker processes. Workers are independent browser processes that runs test in parallel, and each worker runs test in isolation. If you add more workers, so more parallel tests workers can be configured by globally or per project. This is the limit workers. You can control the maximum number of parallel worker, and this is the command if you want to run the test. So this is the command npx playwright test dash dash workers 4, and other option available in the configuration file for adding workers. Limit the number of workers on CI usually default locally. You can define workers in a configuration file which is playwright.config.ts. If you want to disable parallel execution, so you can just enter command npx playwright test dash dash workers. By default, Playwright uses CPU core count to decide workers and run test files in parallel automatically. Suppose you enter here 4 workers. So 4 test files run at the same time, faster execution with same test coverage. Why workers are important? Because better source utilization, stable and scalable automation framework. Now, I will practically will show you how you can perform parallel execution. This is parallel test in a single file. You can define here mode parallel. Now, open VS Code, and this is login page test case. First, navigate to the URL, enter username, enter password, and then click on login button. And this is the assertion. This add to cart, this text should be displayed when the user successfully log in. So here, first we will define workers. Open playwright config.ts. Inside this export default define config, you need to enter here workers and then define workers 4. Now save this file. We will run another test case. This is for login with valid credentials, and here add another test case, login with invalid credentials, and remove this one. Now we have totally 2 test cases in this file. We have defined workers is equal to 4. just enter command here for running the test in a parallel execution. Just enter command here npx playwright enter test. This file name is login.spec.ts. Login.spec.ts. Now, if you define workers here in a configuration file, so you do not need to enter worker here. But if you want to run the parallel execution by command, so you need to enter here workers. As you can view here, if you running, this is for disable, and scroll up. If you want to run the test by using workers, so you need to enter this command here. Here two options available. You can define in a configuration file, and second option, you can run parallel worker processes via command line. So this is the command. Here we do not need to enter. So just save this file after making changes here. We made some changes here. Now run the test. Just click on enter. Here we are getting error because we need to enter here npx playwright test login.spec.ts. You can view here running 6 tests using workers, 4 workers, because here in a configuration file we set here 4 workers. This is fast execution. You can view here parallel execution running this 2 test cases on a multiple browsers in a parallel. You can view here past and finished test login past 6 passed, and this is the total time of execution. Now suppose you want to define a here workers. We can define a here. After this test file you need to enter workers. So copy this command and I will enter here this command and define. If you want to run all the test cases, you can view here in test inside this folder multiple test cases, checkboxes, elite, download this test files. So you do not need to define here file name. But if you want to run a specific test case, suppose you want to run only login test case, user login with valid credential and user login with invalid credential. So in this scenario, you need to type here file name and then enter here spec.ts and define here workers. Now running 6 tests using 4 workers and parallel execution. As you can view here, running test cases too fast because here we define workers 4. If you want to open report in a playwright, you need to enter command here npx playwright, and this is show dash report. Just enter this command and then click on enter for opening, and it will open the report in a local host. Login page, Chromium login with invalid credentials. Running these 2 test cases in a Chromium, same this test cases running on a Firefox, and then running these 2 test cases on a WebKit. And here you can view total time of execution 2.5 second. Till past 6 failed 0. Here no any test case failed, so here you can view failed 0. This is speedboard and this is settings. If you want to view this report in a dark mode, so just click on this one and you can view here this report in a dark mode. So that's how parallel execution and workers help Playwright run test faster and smarter. If you are working on large automation suites, parallel execution is a must-use feature. If this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SQ for more testing tutorials. See you in the next video.